In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete executions in n8n. This is a very quick task, but it's still important to follow each click carefully so you don't remove something by accident. If you're cleaning up your workspace, managing old data, or simply keeping things organized, knowing where the delete option is can save you time. To begin, open your personal area in n8n. This is the section where your own items and settings are usually managed, so it's the right place to start when you want to make changes connected to your account or workspace content. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct area before moving on, especially if you have access to multiple sections or shared resources. Once you're there, click on Credentials. This will open the page where related items are listed and where you can manage them more directly. Even if the interface looks simple, it's always a good idea to pause for a second and confirm that you're looking at the correct entry before deleting anything. That helps prevent mistakes and makes the process smoother. After that, look for the three dots menu. This is the small options menu that usually contains extra actions that aren't shown directly on the main screen. Click on the three dots to open those additional options. If you don't immediately see it, move slowly and check the right side of the item or row you want to manage, since that's where menus like this are often placed. From the menu that appears, click on Delete. This is the action that removes the selected item. Before you confirm anything on screen, make sure one last time that you've chosen the correct execution or related item you want to remove. Deleting is meant to help you keep your n8n space clean and manageable, but it's best to be careful so you don't remove something you still need. And that's it. The process is simple. Open Personal, go to Credentials, click the three dots, and select Delete. If you're following along inside n8n, just take it slowly and confirm each selection as you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.